Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com. And are you feeling like a failure lately? And I want to encourage you that maybe God is setting you up for your future success. So just a little bit over 1 year ago, I felt like a big fat failure. I had a lot of success originally in my network marketing company, but the company restructured and my checks, they just kept going down and down and down, and my income was cut in half. I went from feeling like on top of the world, getting so much recognition, speaking on stage, doing all these awesome things, getting all these free vacations, to feeling like such a failure and wondering, what's my next move going to be? So looking back now, after going through it, and a year later, I can really see that God had really set me up for what I'm doing now. And I'm so grateful that He said no to success in that company. If not, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now in this business, which is teaching entrepreneurs how to monetize their passion and live out their purpose. And it fuels my soul. And I'm just so grateful that this is what I get to do now. So if you're going through a tough time right now, I just want to encourage you, maybe God is setting you up for your future success. All right, that's it for now. Head to she'smakinganimpact.com. I've got tons of tips to help you build your business, and I'll see you later.